Now we are discussing about information technologies. In that learning artificial intelligence, here are 5 mistakes to avoid. What are those? What are 5 mistakes to avoid for learning artificial intelligence? That is, we are discussing. Artificial intelligence intimates human reasoning, learning, and perception in the context of basic or complicated activities. Healthcare, banking, manufacturing, logistics, and various other industries are artificial intelligence. However, there is one thing that all AI users make mistakes. Here are some of the mistakes that techies make while learning artificial intelligence, which they must avoid. Using an AI model that is influenced, using an artificial model that is influenced, because the data it collects is skewed toward reality perceptions. An influenced AI model will always be biased unjustly. Such a bias will prevent artificially intelligent algorithms from identifying significant elements, resulting in better analysis and decision making in real world circumstances. As a result, data sets, trained or untrained, will map unfair patterns and never embrace egalitarian perspectives in the decision making process, followed by AI based systems supporting fairness and loyalty. And then, second mistake is investing time in mucking up AI concepts is a waste of time. You won't be able to gain a deeper understanding of the AI algorithms by mucking up the AI principles. This is because such theoretical concepts are constrained by particular constraints and will not provide the same explanation in real world scenarios. When you enroll in a course such as data science course, the curriculum includes several terminologies. And the third mistake is deep learning is a great regarding artificial intelligence. Third mistake is deep learning is a great place to start your AI artificial intelligence journey. Deep learning is a branch of AI whose algorithms are inspired by the operation and the structure of the human brain. Our brains contain neurons that collect impulses and divide them into structures within the brain. This allows our brain to comprehend the work at hand and how it must be completed. After learning a little about neural networks, you can try to start your AI journey using deep learning, that is RDL. Deep learning means DL, that is DL. And fourth mistake is trying to match AI, artificial intelligence, algorithm accuracy with every business. Every business domain will not attempt to include accuracy in its current or planned AI activities, whether they are connected to software development or customer service. This is because commercial enterprises take other characteristics like resilience, flexibility, and innovation into account. These are the basic mistakes developers should reduce should reduce it. Then only they can be successful in learning artificial intelligence. This is the information. This information, something it will be extended information, something will be useful to developers. I feel. Wishing you all the best.